Right in this video, I'll show you how you can get a free 50k Favour account and how you can start trading with it. As you can see, I just dropped the update on my Telegram channel, and that is more reason why I tell you guys to always be in my Telegram channel so that you'll not be missing out on these updates I usually drop. Alright, so I'll not be taking much of your time. I'll just drop these particular updates right now so that you guys can claim it before it ends soon. Alright, so once you are seeing this video, ensure you are claiming yours and drop a comment so that YouTube can push it to more people and more people can be able to get this particular free account. So the link to get to this Telegram channel will be in the description or the pinned comment section. Click on it and it's going to direct you to my Telegram channel, and once you get there, you find the link to get to the platform there. Alright, and this is what the platform looks like right here. As you can see right here, just proceed, and this is where we are getting our free 50k account. All right, as you can see right here, you just have to click on the claim free 50k and then input your details. And I want you to know that you can claim this account on MT5 and you can trade with it on MT5. All right, so just input the required details and then choose your trading platform wisely, and then you click on this right here. All right, so after selecting all of this, ensure you select MT5, and after selecting it, then you click on the claim free 50k right here and you wait for it to load. All right, so after that, then you can secure your checkout by scrolling down right here. All right, so you just have to scroll down right here, input the details required, and then you can proceed to activating this particular account. All right, as you can see right here, just proceed to add all these details, and I'm going to do mine right now and I'll get back to the video. So after inputting all the details, just click on your agree right here, and then you can click on you activate your accounts, activate my account right here. Click on it, and after clicking on that, it is going to direct you to the next place. All right, so as you can see right here, thank you, your order has been received, and you can go ahead to check your email to see the next thing you have to do. So after registering an account and doing everything required, you just have to wait for some time for them to send an email to you that is going to contain your login details to the trading app you choose, either the MT5 or the Trade Locker, any of them. All right, so after then you can then get access to start trading with the account, and the email is also going to contain the terms and conditions you have to meet. I want you to know that I have not gotten mine in this video, but so that you will not miss out on this, that is why I'm making this video right now. So once you are seeing this video, ensure you are trying to get yours and you're waiting patiently for them to send the login details to you. And if you have been able to join the people that are expecting the email that contains their login details, ensure you drop a comment saying you've been able to join, and then you are waiting for the email so that people can know that this is you and they can get theirs as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.